Hello, partners. I am Leonardo Jimenez. I live in the municipality of Soacha, a few minutes from Bogota. This municipality is cool weather belongs to the savanna of Bogota where life struck. Agriculture and chemical industries are worked. I live with my 30 years old sister and my 5 years old niece. We have an apartment in the sixth floor. The apartment is white walls with block doors. I like to live in this city because of the beautiful weather it has and the people who are very nice. On weekends I go for a walk with my family and our Kiara and Rocco dogs. Warm, I love this place. I am very happy next to my family.